If you've been told your whole life that you're too sensitive, this video will explain why nothing is wrong with you and why your brain actually works more powerfully than most people's. In just a few minutes, you'll understand what's really happening in your brain, why the world feels so overwhelming at times, and how psychology proves that your sensitivity is not a weakness, but a biological advantage. You've heard this since childhood. You take everything too personally. You need to toughen up. Stop being so dramatic. Over time, you may have started apologizing for your emotions, for your tears, for needing space, for feeling drained by people. But here's the core truth. The label you were given was wrong. Nothing about you is broken. You are not weak, and you are definitely not a mistake of nature. From a psychological perspective, you are a highly sensitive person. But there's a more accurate name. You are a supersensor. While most people experience the world in standard mode, your brain operates in 8K, and neuroscience has already proven it. Today, you'll see the exact neural mechanisms that make your sensitivity so powerful, and why society desperately needs people like you. This isn't a personality quirk. It's biology. Research shows that about 80% of people process information differently than you do. Think of the brain like a camera. Most people record life in standard resolution. It's efficient. It saves energy. It works just fine. But your brain captures reality in ultra-high definition. And neuroscience has identified 3 key upgrades that explain why life feels so intense for you. First, a weaker perceptual filter. Scientists call this low-latent inhibition. The average brain automatically filters out up to 90% of incoming information: background noise, minor details, emotional signals. Your brain doesn't. You simultaneously notice the hum of the refrigerator, the pressure of the chair, the emotional state of the person next to you. That's why you get overwhelmed. But it's also why you notice beauty, patterns, and solutions that others completely miss. Second, highly active mirror neurons. These are the cells responsible for empathy. You don't just understand that someone is hurting, you feel it in your own body. You're not imagining it. Your brain literally mirrors the emotional state of others. You are an emotional sponge in a world that constantly spills. Third, depth of processing. Psychologists call this the pause-to-check strategy. You may see yourself as slow, hesitant, prone to overthinking. But here's the scientific reality. You're not slow, you're deep. While others rely on shallow processing, your brain connects the present to past experiences, predicts consequences, reads meaning beneath the words. You pause not because you're confused. You pause because your brain is running a complex internal simulation to choose the best possible response. That's not a flaw. That's advanced computation. If sensitivity makes life harder, why didn't evolution eliminate it? This question matters. If sensitivity were a weakness, natural selection would have erased it long ago. But it didn't. It preserved it. Because a tribe didn't just need warriors, it needed radar systems. You were the